Hey guys, it's Lily and Yvonne. It's about 18 minutes before the new year, 2020. We all know that 2020's been a really rough year, and sometimes when times are hard, we like to eat a lot of food to help ourselves feel better. Isn't that right, Yvonne?
Mm-hmm.
Sure is. So tonight, we're gonna make a taco that we're gonna eat. The first bite in 2021 was gonna be our first taco of the new year. Yeah, should be pretty.
And ever.
And ever. Yvonne's never had a taco before, so this is really exciting, guys.
Para bailar la bamba, para bailar la bamba, que necesito una poca de gracia para mi patria, y arriba, y arriba, por ti seré, Yo no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán. Bamba, 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 bamba. Para bailar la bamba, necesito una poca de gracia para mi patria.